In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access in Zoho Books. Managing user access is a crucial part of maintaining effective organization and ensuring the right personnel have access to the information they need. So, let's walk through the steps to invite a user into your Zoho Books organization smoothly and efficiently. To start, you need to remember that only administrators have the permission to invite new users. If you're an admin, you'll first want to navigate over to the Settings menu. Once you're there, you'll see an option labeled Users and Roles. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where all the magic happens. You'll see another tab aptly named Users. That's your next stop. Simply click on it and you'll find yourself on the User Management page. Here, you'll notice an inviting button towards the top of the screen that says Invite User. Click on this button to begin the process of adding a new member to your organization. This action will prompt a form to appear where you'll need to enter some key pieces of information about the new user. First up is their email address. Make sure to enter an active and frequently used email, since this is where the invitation to join the Zoho Books organization will be sent. Next, you'll need to provide the user's name. It's important to verify the accuracy of the name to ensure seamless onboarding and communication. After entering the user's personal details, you'll come to a pivotal part of the process, which is choosing a role for the user. Roles are critically important as they determine what actions a user can perform within Zoho Books. Carefully select a role that aligns with the individual's responsibilities and the level of access they need for their work. Once you've made your selections and double-checked all the entered information, it's time to click Save. This action saves the user's details and triggers the system to send out an invitation email directly to the user. Now, it's over to them to complete the process. The new user needs to check their email, find the invitation from Zoho Books, and follow the instructions provided to accept the invitation. Once the user accepts, they'll officially gain access to your Zoho Books organization, enabling them to start collaborating with the rest of the team. Remember, the process doesn't end with the invite. It's always a good idea to follow up with the user to ensure they have received the invitation and are able to accept it without any issues. This proactive approach can help quickly resolve any potential snags in the process. There you have it. Inviting a user to your Zoho Books organization is straightforward, quick, and efficient when you know the right steps. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful in managing user access efficiently within Zoho Books.